We interrupt this program to bring you breaking news on Palmyra Network News. Here is Zeke Stoltzfus.
And I'm so sorry to have to interrupt Melissa Noshendang and all that pretty music, but us reporters gotta report the news here. This is what's happening here about 7 o'clock in the morning. Oh, I want to tell you, it looks pretty bad. Well, let's go out front and see what we got out front.
Now, prepare yourself for a shock once, because you aren't going to believe what's going to happen when I open the crotch door. You just watch this, okay?
There you are. That's quite a bit of snow in there, and it looks like about 8 inches. And it's still coming down, still making down with the snow out here. Oh my goodness, who's gonna shovel all this snow for me? Well, I don't know, maybe Brett Yankoskis will come over and help me. He's such a good boy. But it's gonna take a long time to get rid of this snow. First it has to stop, and it hasn't done that yet. So we're just gonna have to wait and see what's gonna happen here. What a window wonderland we got here. This looks a lot different than yesterday. Cindy Shear over at the Friendly Rising Sun here in Campbellstown sent us this picture of the parking lot. Oh my goodness, she has a lot of things to shovel. So if you want breakfast at the Rising Sun, you're going to have to shovel your way there.
We now return to Melissa Noshendang. It's Sylvester Stoddard.
Stay tuned for more news on the storm of 2017 on Palmyra Network News.